Prohire's rules engine allows tasks to be automated based on different triggers and actions. The feature is extremely powerful and can power everything from dynamic pricing to part payments or online promotional codes. In this video, we'll be using the rules engine to create an online promotional code which adjusts our rental rate when entered by a customer as part of the booking process. To create a promotional code, we need to access the rate card screen as shown here. Select the rate card the promotional code will relate to and click on the Rules button on the right-hand side of the screen. We're going to use the Web 20 rate card for our promotional code, so we click the Rules button next to this rate card. On the next screen, click New Rule. The first tab contains the rule details. We're going to call this rule Proweb Promotion and set the category as Website. We want this rule to be live for the month of September, so we enter a start and an end date as shown here. We then move on to the Triggers tab, and we need to select Promotional Code from the drop-down list on the right-hand side. Once you've selected Promotional Code, a box will appear where you can enter the promotional code itself. We're going to call our code Proweb 20 as the code will discount the rental rate by 20%. If your promotional code will apply to multiple groups, click on the arrow to the right of Add Condition and select At least one of. Then select Add Condition and select your chosen groups. We can then move on to the Actions tab. This is where we specify the actions to complete when the code is entered. We're going to apply a percentage discount, so we select Adjust Item by Percentage from the drop-down list. Next, we need to choose the rate card item we want to apply the discount to. We're going to discount the rental rate, so we select Rental from the drop-down list. We can then add the adjustment percentage. We're going to enter -20%. We're going to set the priority as high as we want this promotional code to override all other discounts. Once you're happy with your settings, click Create. There's no limit on the number of promotional codes you can create.